Welcome, welcome, welcome. Here we are. It is Saturday. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Recipe of the Day. We are happy to be here. Thank you for joining us. Today we have a fun recipe on the docket for our Recipe of the Day for Saturday. We're going to be making something that everyone will like, the kids will like, the grown-ups will like. We are going to make mushroom quesadillas for something, a new twist on quesadillas. So I'm going to teach you my secret of mushroom quesadillas. Hey Laura, how are you? Welcome. Jill Allen, #1 girl, how are you? Welcome. We are going to make some mushroom quesadillas. So let's get these mushrooms in the pan here while we're chatting. And I've got this on here. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil here in our mushroom pan. I've got a mushroom pan going here and a quesadilla pan. But I'm going to start with a little onion in the first pan and get it started for our mushrooms and get our mushrooms going down. Woo! So these will get sauteing here. A little bit of onion, a little bit of mushroom, and let those go. How is everyone on this gorgeous, gorgeous Saturday? Something else around here? Hey Florence, how are you? We are going to be making mushroom quesadillas today. I just got the mushrooms and the onions down so they can saute a little bit. And I will open these up so we're ready. I'm going to grate a little cheese and we will be on our way. How is everyone on this gorgeous, gorgeous day? I'm going to come over, I'll pull this down a little bit so you guys can see. Oh, I started with just a large container of sliced mushrooms, but then I chopped them up just a little bit, gave them a quick chop, and I got out my mama knife for that. I don't use mama knife very often, but used it today. It's the largest knife in my collection. But it gets the job done fast. So right tools are always good. So in here I have some jack cheese already grated and ready to go. Instagram. Hey Instagram, can I see? Oh, it's Christine. Hey girl, how are you? I will call you back when I want to have a chat with you. How are you, girl? How's it going? I'm sure you've been home now. I love your new desk. You got that Vera desk. How do you like it now that it's all set up and you've been using it? Do you like it? Your new toy? Your new work toy? Gonna grate this. Always easier to grate cheese when it's very cold. This has been out for a couple of minutes getting ready for you guys. And what do we do? What do we always do? We always grate our own cheese. Yes, we do. Always grate your own cheese. Because of that stuff they put on that pre-grated stuff, they put some kind of a coating so it doesn't stick, but it also means it doesn't melt. So we're going to make something yummy like this that we want to be stringy and yummy. We need to grate our own. So let me check on my mushrooms here. Let's see how they're going. Coming right along. Give those, oh my gosh, they smell so good. Yummy. Okay, those are coming right along. And I've got here some dice for our garnishes for this, because everyone, whatever you have, of course, is how we're cooking these days. What you have is what we're using. But we've got today green onions and of course jalapeno diced. And then I have our green salsa that we made the other day, homemade on the show, this tomatillo salsa I've got. And then red hot salsa, guacamole, sour cream, all the necessary yummy things for quesadilla garnishment. I'm going to move my mama knife out of the way here. Hey John, how are you? Your wife is killing it on her lives. I'm so proud of her. Go Lynn, go. You guys need Mother's Day gifts, go to Lynn, we'll put her link in here. Awesome baskets and things she'll make custom for you, anything you want to ship to your mom for Mother's Day. So she is doing a great job. She's in the Olympia, Washington area if any of you guys are up there. And you can visit her. Hey Nicole, how are you? We are making mushroom quesadillas today. And I have the mushrooms going back here with a little bit of mushroom and onion. We're just sauteing those a little bit. So we're chatting while they saute. We took a ride today down in the Red Rocket. We got in Gary's Red Rocket and went for a ride down to the beach and got a slice of pizza at Tony's. Those local peeps know Tony's pizza. It's the best. It's so good, and it was so good. We got a slice of pizza and we came home and got ready for the show. So we had a big outing in the car to the pizza place, but it was so good. We love Tony's. It's just the best, so it was yummy. The guy in front of me bought the last cookie, so you know how that is. You know me and my cookies. And since we're in this time of carbo loading, we need to stop the carbo loading, but that's the phase we're in. But it was so good. It's gorgeous. There's not very many people down at the beach because they closed all the parking lots, so there's no place to park. And the people started parking, you know, like people do, where they want. And the whole row has parking tickets, so bummer, but that's the fact. Guess you're allowed, I guess the rules are you're allowed to be down there if you're actually moving, like walking or swimming in the water, I guess. Hey Sandy, how are you, girl? How is Oklahoma today? It is a gorgeous beach day here today. It was like over 90 degrees here yesterday, which it never is, but gorgeous day. Hey Katie Venti, how are you? We are making mushroom quesadillas. We're just waiting for our mushrooms to saute down a little bit, which they are doing at a furious pace. So I'll tell you my secret to my mushroom quesadillas. It is tiger sauce. Any of you guys ever use tiger sauce? It is the only thing I use it for is this recipe. And I'm going to take the whole bottle. This is kind of a sweet and spicy condiment sauce. And I'm going to take the whole bottle and put it in with my mushrooms to flavor my mushrooms and make them a little bit spicy. So in it goes, the whole bottle of tiger sauce. And we will let that get introduced to the mushrooms. And they could make friends while we continue on here. It says original tiger sauce. Hey Megan, how are you? How's it going? How is East Coast today? It's gorgeous here today. Megan, we missed our, I know. What's the tiger sauce? It's tiger sauce. That's what it's called. So it's a condiment and it's sweet and it's spicy. And I just poured the whole thing in with our sauteed mushroom and onion. And we're going to let that saute for a second and let them get cozy. And then we will start our quesadilla here. But it gives the mushrooms just a really unexpected flavor. And it's really cool because the mushrooms absorb the sauce. It's just cool. It's a secret, so don't tell anybody. Let's see. I know, tiger sauce. Yes, Tiger King. Oh my gosh, we watched Tiger King. Okay, we never watch anything on Netflix. We just don't have time. We don't watch any series of any kind. We just frankly don't have time. So we never know anything, you know, whatever the ones, The Crown and the whatever they are. We don't watch them. But Tiger King, everyone started talking at the beginning of this about Tiger King, and so we watched that. Oh my goodness, mostly because we had taken the kids, my sister and I and the boys, to a tiger rescue in Oklahoma because we were there for summer vacation. And there was I don't know, Sandy, what's the name of that place that was near that we went to the tiger rescue where like Michael Jackson's tigers were there and you know, Michael Jordan's tigers were there, and it was the coolest place. And we took the kids and had so much fun. So when we first saw those Tiger King and I looked at what it was, I'm like, oh my goodness, is this the place we went in Oklahoma? No, it wasn't. It's a different place. But I didn't know there were so many, because I don't think the rescue that we went to is even there still. But anyway, yes, we watched Tiger King. And so then after that, we got fully sucked into Ozarks, and we watched the last one last night. And so I will not spill the beans, but we have now watched the Ozarks, and now I don't know what we're going to do tonight because we're out of series. So give us your series suggestions here now that we're home, and we will check it out. Oh yay! So anyway, let's see. I've got a tortilla in here, so I just dropped one in. Now, whatever camp you're in, it's a little. I need my tongs. It's a little hot, hot, hot. if you like them with one, like a pizza tortilla with the stuff on it and then another tortilla on top, but I prefer my quesadillas folded because then you have a way to keep the goo inside when it's folded with the fold. So I'm going to make mine like that. So I've just got a tortilla in here, I'm going to put some cheese in here, and I've got mozzarella and jack, of course both freshly grated. And we'll get some of that going on here. Oh my gosh, tortilla smells so good. We don't eat a lot of flour tortillas around here, so it's a special treat. And some mozzarella. Oh my goodness, yum. And then I'm going to put a little bit, because we like it spicy, little fresh chopped jalapeno in there. Though our mushroom sauce is going to be spicy too. A little bit of green onion going in. And then I'm going to take some of my mushrooms here and put them in. Oh my gosh, yum! Tiger sauce is doing its job. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to put some in here. Oh my gosh, yum! This is going to be delish. This is when you wish you had smell-o-vision, because this is going to be yummy today. I will make room here to show you guys our beautiful creation that we are creating today. Oh my goodness. This is going to be killer. I'll get out my display stand that is working great for this purpose and show you guys our creation here. Oh my gosh, talking about Ozarks. Yeah, McMillions, we actually tried to watch it last night, but it's not on Netflix. It's on HBO, I guess, so we couldn't watch that. The Crown? Yeah, I've heard The Crown is good too. So yes, we will check them out. So our mushrooms are escaping. Okay, I'm going to pull this out and give this a little garnish here. Oh my gosh, it smells delish. So, oh my gosh, look at that. Yummy. And I'm going to cut this. Yum. The pizza cut. There we go. Okay, I'll put a little, because sour cream is, you know, one of God's perfect foods, right? Well, sour cream and that kefir that I discovered at the farmer's market the other day. I'm just going to put a little bit on each one of these. Yum! And then let's do a little guacamole. And we'll get these garnished up. I will see if my taste tester is going to be tasting them. And then a little bit of salsa here. I'll put a little red to go with our green, just to make it, I guess, pretty and a mess. We got it both going there. This salsa is very hot, so with our hot and spicy tiger sauce, good thing Gary likes it spicy. So there we go, mushroom quesadillas with my secret mushroom quesadilla ingredient, the tiger sauce, and it just makes it yummy. So today, for our birthday shout-outs today, birthday shout-outs to Teresa Hodak, it's your birthday today. And to Suzanne Grace, it's your birthday today. Teresa and I have been on many adventures together, like our adventure to Bali in my previous life, event planning life. We had some great adventures. We've had a few. So shout out to her. She lives in the Bay Area and she's watched several of these. So happy birthday. I hope you're doing something fun today. Hey Teresa doll, how are you, girl? Looks good. Hey, you're close enough to come over and have one. One of my neighbors. And then our giveaway for today, you guys are going to be excited. I saw these on my friend Rob Lemons owns a local sign and promotional wares company. So if you need signs, he's been making all those graduation signs for people's yards right now, but all kinds of things. And plus he's just a super guy. And he delivered them to my house, so kudos. He did a doorstep drop-off. But look what today's giveaway is. Do-do-do-do. It says, for those in the back, quarantine hair don't care. Woo! Look what color it is. It's pink. It's my color. So, quarantine hair don't care is our giveaway for today. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hey Rhonda girl, how are you? Rhonda was in the Pacific Ocean this morning. I saw your post. So here we are for our quarantine hair don't care. Thank you, Rob Lemons. It is going to be, if you have liked or commented on any of these Facebook cooking shows or Instagram, you are in here. So here we go. The first winner is of Quarantine Hair Don't Care. Teresa Ethel, you are the winner of our cute hat. I'm sure you guys, she's got daughters, so she may have to share her cool hat with her daughters. And here we go, second winner of the cool hat is Teresa Doll, who is watching the show right now, and she's my neighbor, so you can come over and get your prize, and some mushroom quesadilla. How cool is that? You're the winner, girl. So Teresa Ethel and Teresa Dole, it is Teresa, lucky winning day. So with that, I hope you guys are doing awesome. It's a gorgeous day. It is so many things today. I wrote them down, the National Day calendar. It's Telephone Day, Kiss of Hope Day, to kiss your spouse and appreciate them. So all of you who've been locked up with your spouses, give them a kiss today and appreciate them. It is Pool Opening Day, which here it's beautiful. It's a perfect day to open the pool. It's Zucchini Bread Day, which if I had planned ahead, we could have made zucchini bread, but we made mushroom quesadillas instead. And it is Hug a Plumber Day. And of course, you know, you don't necessarily hug your plumber till you really need one. And we have a great plumber, so if you need one, call us. We've got referrals for everything, but definitely a great plumber. And it is Sense of Smell Day. So you can use your sense of smell. You're going to have to imagine the yummy mushroom tiger quesadillas, and here they are. So thank you for watching. I will get our hats to our lucky Quarantine Hair Don't Care girls, our Teresa girls, and we will see you here every day in April live at 3 o'clock for Recipe of the Day. So thank you guys for watching, really appreciate it, and you can find these videos here on my Facebook feed. They're all here, and I put the recipes in the feed, in the comments, or they're also on our YouTube channel at Ventura Real Estate. So if you missed one and there's something you want to make, you can go back and find them there and watch the videos. There are so many yummy, yummy things we have made. So if you've watched me make something that you want to make, just go on the videos and watch them, and we can cook together, even though we can't be together yet. So love you guys. Thanks for watching. It's a beautiful day here. It's Saturday on day 958 bazillion of being at home, and we love being here with you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow at 3 o'clock.